So let's start setting up your agency account. You're going to use the email and password that was emailed to you when you first set up your account. Once you log in, it's going to actually verify yourself. You can verify yourself through email or through text message. Now, once you have successfully logged in, it's going to bring you to this page and you're going to scroll down to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to put your personal picture here. Although I have a logo, it's only because I don't have a picture to plug in. You're going to put your own personal picture because this is for your personal profile. Then you're going to put your first name, last name, your email address, phone number. If you have an extension to that number, the extension, the language you prefer to use, and you can hit update profile. Then you can come over here and you can change your password and remember to hit update password. You have to hit update for each section, otherwise your information will not change, it will not save. Once you're done with that, you're going to come over here to company. And here's where you're going to put your company logo. And just for future references, because you're going to need this, your relationship number is at the top of the company tab. Make sure that when you're trying to plug in your logo, it's the right size, otherwise it will not take. Then down here, you're going to plug in your company name, email address, phone number, company website. If you are white labeling, then the white label domain, your API domain, privacy policy URL. This is where you're going to put your privacy policy URL and your terms and conditions URL. If you want to put any coding, you can put your JavaScript here and your CSS here. And you can choose whether you want your platform to be light like this or dark. And then you're going to hit update company. On the other side is your company address and time zone. This is very important that you pick the right time zone because your calendars, your appointments, your calls, everything, your workflow is going to be based off of this time zone. Then you can choose whatever one of these you want. This is like a personal preference, so read through it. And this is Content AI. Now, Content AI is artificial intelligence that's going to actually create your content for your blogs, your websites, your funnels, your email templates, whatever you need. Now, as an agency owner, once you turn this on, this will actually allow all of your sub accounts to have access to this feature. Now, at first, they get about 500 words free to start off, but then it starts to charge them. And if not set up properly, it's going to actually charge you. LC Premium Triggers and Actions. This stands for lead connectors. This is, if turned on, will allow you and your sub accounts to use premium triggers and actions using lead connector. You'll see this mainly inside the workflows to get a better example. And last but not least, your template library. Again, everything on this column you can turn on and off, aside from obviously your address, but everything from optimize experience down, you can turn on or off for all your sub accounts. So once you toggle it on, it's on for all your sub accounts. Now, the template library, once you turn this on, you will be then sharing all the free funnels, websites, social planners, the email templates, everything with your sub account. So you can either charge for those services and give it to them, or you can open up the library and give it to them free by toggling this on. Next, you're going to come down to Stripe and you're going to connect your Stripe account to your agency account. That way you're able to charge and receive payments for all the sub accounts that come into your platform. Then down here, API keys. This is where you'll be able to find and copy and use your API keys when you're trying to integrate it with different platforms like Zapier or Pabbly or any other platform that you want to connect to this. You're most likely going to need the API keys, and this is where you'll come to find them. And that's it. That's all there is to setting up your agency account.